Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you the essential SEO all-in-one tools module for PrestaShop. This module helps you manage important on-page and technical SEO tasks from one place in your back office. You can use this module to save time and keep your shop SEO data more consistent. Please note that this module helps you manage SEO data and technical SEO elements. It does not guarantee search rankings, traffic, indexing, or a specific appearance in search results, because these results are controlled by search engines and depend on many external factors. After installing the module, you can open its configuration page from the back office. Here you can access the main tools of the module: product SEO rules, category SEO rules, image rules, redirects, HTML blocks, and more. Let's start with product SEO metadata. With product SEO rules, you can generate product-friendly URLs, meta titles, and meta descriptions using flexible shortcode patterns. For example, instead of manually writing a meta title for every product, you can create a reusable pattern using product data such as product name, category, manufacturer, reference, price, attributes, features, tags, or descriptions. This is useful when you have many products and want your metadata to follow a consistent structure. You can create a rule, choose the field you want to generate. Select the language, define the pattern, and then apply the rule. One important option is update meta tags only if empty. When this option is enabled, the module will not overwrite existing non-empty values. This is useful when you already wrote some meta titles or meta descriptions manually and want to protect that work. You can apply the rule to one selected language first. This is the recommended way to test the result. After checking several products, you can apply the same rule to all active languages or use category targeting to limit the rule to specific parts of the catalog. The module can also reapply matching product metadata rules automatically. Here we can see the generated SEO data on the product page. This makes product SEO maintenance much faster, especially for medium and large catalogs. Next, let's look at image alt rules. PrestaShop stores image legends for product images, and many themes use these legends as image alt text in the HTML. With this module, you can generate image legends using product data such as product name, manufacturer, category, or other product fields. This helps you keep image alt text more consistent without editing product images one by one. As with product metadata, image alt rules can be applied manually for one language, for all active languages, or through CRON. You can also limit rules by category. If no category is selected, the rule is applied to products of all categories. Now let's move to category SEO rules. Category pages are very important in many online stores, especially when customers search by product type, brand, use case, or collection. The module can generate category-friendly URLs, category meta titles, and category meta descriptions. You can use category shortcodes such as category name, parent category, parent categories, description, and additional description. This makes it easier to keep category metadata complete and consistent across the store. Category rules can be applied manually or through CRON after category data changes. For large catalogs, it is better to test with a small category first, check the result, and then apply the rule more widely. The module also includes a redirect manager. Redirects are important when URLs change. Products are deleted, categories are renamed, or a store is migrated from another platform. Instead of editing the htaccess file manually, you can manage redirects from the back office. The module supports 301, 302, and 303 redirects. You can create redirects from old internal paths to internal or external destination URLs. A 301 redirect is usually used for permanent URL changes. For example, if a product URL has changed, you can redirect the old URL to the new URL, so customers and search engines do not land on a broken page. The module also supports redirect expiration dates, import from CSV, and export to CSV. This is very useful after migrations, when you may need to create many redirects at once. There is also a product-level redirect manager on the product edit page. This allows you to create a redirect related to a specific product directly while editing that product. Next, let's look at canonical URLs. Canonical tags help search engines understand the preferred URL for a page, especially when similar content may be accessible through different URLs. The module can generate canonical URLs automatically for supported page types, such as product pages, category pages, manufacturer pages, supplier pages, CMS pages, search pages, and compatible module pages. You can also create custom canonical URL records for specific internal paths when you need manual control. The module also supports hreflang tags. Hreflang helps search engines understand language or regional alternatives of equivalent pages. This is useful for multilingual shops and in selected multi-shop language configurations when different shops represent real equivalent language versions. Hreflang should be used only when the pages are truly equivalent language or regional versions of the same content. It should not be enabled only because shops use different currencies. When configured correctly, hreflang can help multilingual visitors and search engines reach the correct language version of a page. Now let's check pagination tools. For paginated lists, the module can add next and prev pagination tags for recognized paginated listings. It can also add browser prefetch and pre-render hints for adjacent paginated links, and optionally add robots noindex for paginated pages after the first page. These options should be used carefully, depending on your SEO strategy and how your shop handles pagination. Google no longer uses rel next and rel prev as indexing signals, but other search engines and user agents may still use these links. So this feature should not be considered a guarantee that Google will consolidate paginated pages. Another powerful feature is HTML blocks. HTML blocks allow you to add controlled HTML, CSS, JavaScript, analytics code, verification code, and custom metadata and more to selected pages and hooks. For example, you can add search engine verification tags, Google Analytics code, Facebook Open Graph tags, Twitter card tags, or other trusted code without editing theme files. You can choose where the block should appear, select pages, select hooks, and use dynamic shortcodes. The module includes general shortcodes and product, category, and manufacturer shortcodes for HTML blocks. There are also shortcode modifiers such as lowercase, uppercase, comatose space to hashtag, etc. This gives you more flexibility when creating dynamic metadata or social tags. For example, you can use ready templates for Facebook Open Graph and Twitter card tags, then adapt them to your shop. Only trusted administrators should add JavaScript or third-party code through HTML blocks, because this code is printed on the front office pages selected in the block. The module also includes a 404 error log tool. It displays PrestaShop page not found records and helps you identify URLs that no longer work. You can export these records to CSV, review them, and then create relevant redirects for important missing URLs. You should not redirect every 404 error to the home page. It is better to check which URLs are important and redirect them to the most relevant product, category, or CMS page. For automation, the module supports CRON, URLs for product metadata rules, image alt rules, and category metadata rules. This is useful when you regularly import products or update catalog data and want metadata to be regenerated automatically. For very large catalogs, you should test CRON manually first and use rules with a smaller scope, for example, rules limited to selected categories, if your hosting has strict time limits. In multi-shop configurations, the module uses the currently selected back-office shop context. So before creating rules, redirects, custom canonical records, or HTML blocks, always check that you are working in the correct shop context. To summarize, this module helps you manage many important SEO tasks from one module. You can generate product metadata, category metadata, and image alt text with reusable shortcode rules. You can manage redirects, canonical URLs, hreflang tags, pagination markup, HTML blocks, social metadata, and 404 records. The module can save a lot of manual work, especially for stores with many products, multilingual catalogs, migrations, or frequent product updates. You can find more information, documentation, and the module details on the module page. Thank you for watching.